All right, we got 2017 Select Football. It's a single box break number 1. We'll run number 2 after this one. Patrick with the Niners, Joe with the Bears, Simon with the Bengals, George with the Bills, David with the Broncos, Tony Frank with the Browns and the Bucks. You got Michael Smith with the Cards, Dolphins, Eddie Chavez with the Chargers, David Lamberton with the Chiefs, Simon with the Colts, Eric Turner with the Cowboys. You got Timmy B with the Eagles, Michael Smith with the Falcons, Ravens, George Hunger with the Giants, Jesse Rollins with the Jags, Mike Smith with the Jets, Simon with the Lions, Jay with the Packers, Eric Turner with the Panthers, Simon with the Patriots, Eddie Chavez with the Raiders, Eric Turner with the Rams, Eddie Chavez with the Skins, Eric Turner with the Saints, Lamberton with the Seahawks, Patrick Ford with the Steelers, Ivan Chavez with the Texans, Greg Kelly with the Titans, and Dell with his Vikings. Good luck, everybody. 2017 Select Football. Single box break. Nice stuff. Some pick your team action. There we go. Of course, it came out too sweet. There we go. Pack number 1. Jay Cutler. Jamal Williams, rookie for the Packers. Dak Prescott. Then you got Doug Baldwin, little prism insert. Tricolor. These are out of 199 for the Seahawks. And OBJ for the Giants. Got Demaryius Thomas for the Broncos. Phillip Rivers. Keenan Allen. And a Jake Butt rookie refractor for the Broncos. And James Conner rookie for the Steelers. Big pack. Thick pack. See what we get. Oh, there's a little tie-dye action there. We'll start off with Randy Moss for the Vikes. Lamar Miller for the Texans. Curtis Samuel, rookie for the Panthers. Dalvin Cook, rookie for the Vikings. Little filler in behind the filler. How about that? Adam Thielen, tie-dye action there of Adam Thielen for the Vikings. 9 of 25. Adam Thielen for the Vikings. Tie-dye. Sweet card there. We get a sleeve before we go any further. It's a good way to start the tie-dye right there. First couple packs. Adam Thielen out of 25 going out to Del Doles and the Vikings. We got Brandon Cooks, Davis Webb, rookie for the Giants, Adrian Peterson, Alshon Jeffrey, and the rookie of TJ Watt for the Steelers. While I'm opening this, I'm looking for Michael Vick. I'm collecting Michael Vick tie-dye die cuts. Actually, not tie-dye die cuts. Die cuts. All the die cuts. Kendall Wright. Ty Montgomery for the Packers. Refractor of Matthew Stafford. And it looks like your first hit is going to be out of 149 for the Dolphins. Dick Anderson. Old school. Going out to the Dolphins. Michael Smith. Old school auto of Dick Anderson. Out of 199 for the Dolphins. And Ronnie Lott to finish that pack. Nice clean auto for the Dolphins. 127 of 149, I should say, not 199. 127 of 149. And we have AJ Green, Matt Breida, rookie, Jalen Ramsey, refractor of Big Ben. And your next hit is 82 of 99, Buck Allen refractor, jersey refractor of Buck Allen going out to the Ravens, and that's Michael Smith. Michael Smith back-to-back hits for the Ravens. Buck Allen. Buck Allen single color jersey there. Alright. Just need some RPA love. Got T.Y. Hilton. Thought I seen some gold. T.Y. Doug Baldwin. Big Ben. And a Big Ben. That's what I seen. Prism for the Steelers. That's 30 of 99. Prism for the Steelers and Brian Urlacher. Got C.J. Beathard, rookie. Chris Godwin, Ryan Switzer for the Cowboys, and Doug Martin refractor for the Bucks, and Chris Carson, rookie. Kelvin Benjamin, Juju Smith, rookie for the Steelers, James Harrison, refractor, and it looks like your next hit is 88 of 199. Gilbert Brown for the Packers. Look at that. 88 of 199. Gilbert Brown. That's a sick autograph. Gilbert Brown for the Packers. Going out to J.C. Bat. Getting some Packer love. And a John Ross rookie for the Bengals. That may be an extra hit because I still think there's an RPA. Hell, we're doing extra here. We've been shorted before. We got Carson Wentz, refractor. John Riggins, Zach Ertz, Amir Abdullah, and Danny Amendola. Yes, they shorted us an RPA or a rookie to give us that. So we got Sidney Jones, rookie. Chad Williams. Josh Norman. Then you have a blue Wayne Gallman, which looks cool because he's in his blue jersey out of 149 for the Giants, and Todd Gurley. Last pack. Looks like we'll get no rookie RPA. We have Brian Hill, rookie for the Falcons. Carlos Hyde. Pat Mahomes, rookie refractor for the Chiefs. And Malik Hooker, that's a nice one. Blue die cut of Malik Hooker for the Colts. That's 28 of 99. 28 of 99, that's going out to Simon. And your last card is a Mike Williams rookie for the Chargers. I'll go backwards on the hits. That's what we got here. That's Pat Mahomes. Gilbert Brown auto for the Packers. Nice old school auto. Clean looking auto for the Packers. Buck Allen, single color jersey out of 99. Dick Anderson for the Dolphins. And out of 25, tie-dye of Adam Thielen for the Vikings. Thanks a lot, guys, for joining. I will put up some more select right after this. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys.